Today, I'm going to show you how to design a poster in Photoshop. I will give you a pro tip at the end. First things first, let's create our workspace. Open Photoshop and create a new document. Set the size to 29.7 centimeters by 42 centimeters, basically A3 size for that professional vibe. Now let's add the star of the show, our first image. You can download this image from the link in the description below. Once downloaded, drag it into your document and position it wherever it feels right. Here comes the fun part. Go to the Adjustment Layers panel and select Gradient. For the gradient settings, follow these simple tweaks. Adjust the colors to match your vibe, set the angle, and make sure it's blending just the way you want. Got it? Great. Now change the blend mode to multiply and reduce the fill to 75% for a sleek, modern look. Drag your second image onto the canvas. It should layer on top of the first. Change the blending mode to color dodge. Ooh, look at that pop. Then reduce the fill to 85%. Just like magic, your poster is already coming to life. Let's keep the momentum going with another image. Drag your third image into the mix, set the blending mode to screen, and again, reduce the fill to 85%. Now the poster looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. But wait, there's more. Alright, let's get fancy with a layer mask. Click on the Add Layer Mask icon for the third image. Now grab your brush tool. Don't forget to set the opacity and flow to 100% and the foreground color to black. Here's the fun part. Paint over areas you want to hide or fade out. It's like Photoshop Zen. Just paint, relax, and watch the magic happen. We're almost there. It's time to add some text to complete our masterpiece. Grab the type tool and type out your message. Make it bold, inspiring, or mysterious, whatever suits your poster. You can download the font I used from the link in the description. Boom! You've just created a professional poster in Photoshop, and it looks incredible. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful, and subscribe for more creative Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.